Muon here, and welcome to my Snowcat crochet tutorial. This project is part of a collection of 3 different animal-themed snow ornaments. If you're interested in making the bunny or bear, or just in the written pattern in general, you can check out my Ravelry shop. Now let's get into it. Starting off, we're gonna make a magic circle. Into the circle, put 6 single crochets. Go ahead and tighten your circle. Now you're going to increase 6 times so that you have a total of 12 stitches by the end of the round. Make 1 single crochet and then an increase. You're going to repeat this pattern 6 times so that by the end of the round you have a total of 18 stitches, and in the video I'm working over my tail end to make sure that everything is nice and secure. Make 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and then 1 more single crochet. And you're going to repeat this pattern 6 times so that by the end of the round you have a total of 24 stitches. Now go ahead and make 24 single crochets. Make 3 single crochets and then an increase. You're going to repeat this pattern 6 times so that by the end of the round you have a total of 30 stitches. Go ahead and make 30 single crochets. Make 3 single crochets and then a decrease. Repeat this pattern 6 times so that by the end of the round you have a total of 24 stitches. Make 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then 1 single crochet. You're going to repeat this pattern 6 times so that by the end of the round you have a total of 18 stitches. We're going to be working in the front loops only for the next round, so you're going to want to locate the front loops of your stitches. Working in the front loops only, we're going to make 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat this pattern 9 times so that by the end of the round you have a total of 27 stitches. Going back to working in both loops, we're going to make 8 single crochets and then an increase. Repeat this pattern 3 times so that by the end of the round you have a total of 30 stitches. For the next 4 rounds, make 30 single crochets. Single crochet 3 times and then decrease. Repeat this pattern 6 times so that by the end of the round you have a total of 24 stitches. Make a single crochet and then a decrease and then 1 more single crochet. Think of it like a sandwich. Then you're going to repeat this sandwich 6 times so that by the end of the round you have a total of 18 stitches. At this point, you can go ahead and add your stuffing. Make 1 single crochet and then a decrease. Repeat this 6 times so that by the end of the round you have a total of 12 stitches. And you can add a little bit more stuffing if you need to. Go ahead and make 6 decreases so that you have a total of 6 stitches by the end of the round. And cut your yarn. Using your tapestry needle, weave in all of your ends and making sure to seal that opening. Start off with a slip knot. Make a chain of 4. Now you're going to rotate your chain so that you can work in the back bumps. Skipping the first chain from your hook, since that's your turning chain, make 1 half double crochet. Working into the next back bump, you're going to make 1 double crochet. Then right from where you are with that double crochet, make a chain of 2, and then make 1 double crochet back into that chain bump. And into that last chain bump, you're going to make 1 more half double crochet. Go ahead and cut your yarn. Make a slip knot. Go ahead and chain 4. Once again, we're going to rotate our chain so that we can work in the back bumps. Skipping the first chain from our hook, we're going to make 1 half double crochet. Just like before, we're working into that next bump, and we're going to start off with a double crochet. Then straight from that double crochet, you're going to chain 2. And then, to finish off, make 1 double crochet back into that chain bump. And working into the next chain bump, we're going to make a half double crochet. Go ahead and cut your yarn. Starting off, we're going to make a slip knot. From here, you're going to make a chain of 41 or until you've reached your desired length. Before continuing, it can be helpful just to quickly test the length of the scarf around your snowcat. And now you're going to rotate your chain so that you can work in the back bumps. Skipping the very first chain from your hook, you're going to make 40 single crochets all the way down the chain. And cut your yarn. Now you can weave in your ends. This part is totally optional, but after you cut your ends, you can make sure that they're extra secure by using your needle felting tools. We're going to be moving on to the finer details of the project. All of these can be cut to your preference, but I have some suggestions on the screen. Now you're going to pin, position, and sew the ears of your cat into place. I personally like to arrange all of the fine details before I glue them into place. Now you can go ahead and use glue to glue all of those felt pieces into place. Moving on, you're going to cut a piece of white yarn that's about 2 feet or 60 centimeters, and you're going to make a knot as shown in the video to create a loop for your keychain hardware. And if you don't have any hardware, you can just use a longer piece of yarn to make a longer knot or make a long chain. You're going to start off by folding your yarn in half. Then you're going to make a knot near the folded end. And once you've tightened that knot, you're going to see that you've created a small loop that has 2 tails. Sew that knot onto the top of your project. And now you can add your keychain hardware. To finish up, you can tie the scarf around your snow cat's neck. And you're all done! If you're interested in making the bunny, the bear, or the cat, I have all of them together in the same written pattern listed on my Ravelry shop. I've been Muon. I'll be wishing you all the happiness in the world. Hope you have a nice day and happy holidays!